Yeah, a couple 1/4-inch bolts all it takes to install these door handles on your door. You can use your factory hardware. If not, all right, so just got finished installing this door handle on the 63 door. Super simple install. I used a couple 1/4 20 bolts, but factory hardware will work as well. If you've ever done a door handle swap, it's pretty cut and dry. It roughs it out on the inside first, and then when it finishes, it jumps out here and does little side cuts. So that's what we're going to fine tune and see if we can get rid of those. Show you what